Hello folks, welcome back to this other episode. It is Mentor speaking as usual. Wano wetuli tujja kulaba ekintu ekipya. Something really new as usual, because every single day tulaba ebintu ebipya. Now, here is a confusion. Something that is really confusing most people. We are not here to become rich trading Forex. We are here to learn how to be profitable in the Forex market. What are we looking at today? We are looking at the currency strength. Yes, the currency strength. Okay, currency strength. But if it is a currency strength that you're talking about, we have these indicators here that, give us, currency strength. I bought these things. I paid for these things. Well, okay. So retail traders, indicator traders, and they have these softwares you buy, and I don't know, the one I was using back in 2017, I don't know if they somehow upgraded it, because I don't even remember the last time I logged into my account. Signal, softwares, I paid for those things. Now these folks here, they have things they sell to people. I don't know, this is the dollar, something really funny. Okay, indicator, and sometime back in the group I saw, okay, someone, the Telegram group, ngasindika something that was similar to this. Anyway, I cannot blame him because I've also been there. So folks out there subscribe for these things. They end up paying a lot of money trying to know which currency pair is trading higher than the other, but you can do it on TradingView. Okay, so on TradingView for free. I just wonder how people read all these lines here. Okay, how do you know which currency? Okay, which currency is green? They have a lot of colors. So let me not talk too much. Concepts I just want to talk about how do you do this on TradingView. Now, most people, if you're not using TradingView for your analysis, then ochali mabega. Okay, ochali mabega nyo, and by the time you switch to TradingView, ujja kuba ofiiriddwa ebintu bingi nnyo. So wano tulaba tulina EXY. Okay, EXY, but when I hide, now let me try adjusting the watermark osobola okulaba bulungi ekiwandiisa awo, because we are not doing any analysis, we are just, so here you see mu bold letters ezo tulina euro currency index. So what does this one help you? Ngezeeko obikendeza oba mbigireko ddala. Just wanted to show you that it's not a currency pair. Kino kituyamba ki? Now this one here is showing us how the euro is trading against all other pairs, over the 4 major currency pairs. Yes, this is the dollar index. It is showing us how the dollar is trading against all other currency pairs. This is the pound index. Okay, this is the British pound currency index. It is showing us engeri how is the pound trading against the other currencies. So this is the thing. Ngana kayiga trading back in 2017. Batugamba nganti buy the strong and sell the weak. And we subscribed to these things here. Sometimes they could work and some other time they couldn't. But subscription yo wegwayo, that means you're not going to trade until you get another money. Remember, you're losing money, and again you're investing in money to subscribe for things that are making you fail. But that is history. Ate fena yo twaitayo eyo bwoba towaitayo, then you should really thank God. So buy the strong and sell the weak. So retail traders have this thing here. Okay, we used to. So this is now one about tunula wano. now I'm just going to show you how retail traders trade this and how we are going to be trading this. Okay, totally different from their strength meters here. Now the US dollar, wano kana kafanani, if I may click on that picture to just see. So here we see green ichitegeeza uptrend to them. Then these, so the green ye level ya, okay, I'm not accepting anything because these, I don't trust these sites. So here we see the euro and the Japanese yen are really trading higher. Okay, so if you're a retail trader, you will buy the Japanese yen or the euro against the New Zealand, dollar. But you have to pay for these things. I think you pay for them. So here on trading view, you have this, okay, the currency index. Now, as a price action trader, oba olabira ddala what price is doing, okay, what maybe, for example, what the dollar is doing. Okay, we see the dollar is trading higher on the daily chart. The dollar is trading higher and higher and higher. Okay, so dollar is uptrend. Now what does this mean? I want to show you. Tekirina njawulo n'ebyo ebiconcepts by'aba retail traders, but it's because ebyabwe birimba, sometimes birimba. Okay, so this is the pound dollar over the British pound ne United States dollar. So this is GBP USD here. Now let's look at the pound currency index. Tulaba currency index eno eri mu downtrend. Okay, the British pound, it is weakening, okay, against the four major currency pairs. Now this is what you do. Find siganye, buy the weak, buy the strong and sell the weak, as retail traders do. Now you want to know, this time I'm not telling you to go and subscribe for indicators, go and subscribe for ebintu. So how do you know? Tulaba wano pound eri kukirira wansi. Kateke mu weekly chart tulabe if we shall okay. So on a weekly chart, it's selling, okay, over the currency is dropping. Kino tekina njawulo with our strategies, the order blocks and all that kind of stuff. But I just want to show you. Now if this currency is selling over pound weba eri kukirira wansi, the pound currency index against the other currency pairs or against the other currencies, pound eri kukola ki? Pound eri kukirira wansi. Now do you remember the base and quote? The base and quote. Now let's look at the dollar pound, the pound dollar. Now tulaba pound is selling or pound is losing strength. Then netulaba where is it? The dollar is buying, or the dollar is gaining strength against the pound. So what do you do here? Today retail concepts, over that saying of retailers, you sell the weak and buy the strong. Okay, you buy the dollar and sell the pound. Now if we have the pound dollar, remember pound ye base currency here, then the dollar is the quote currency when it's a GBP USD. This means you are not going to get tempted even when your ancestors visit you. Do not tempt yourself buying the base atenga tulaba wano base eri downtrend against this. Okay, that is a suicide mission. Whether oli ku demo account, whether you're trading at a nano lot size, that is money you're not supposed to lose. Because I am just tired of people losing money even on demo. It's really bad. Now I hate what I do sometimes, but I feel like if you're my student, sometimes I have to show the public what you're doing. Now in this, I'm sorry for doing this, Sharif, but I have to. Okay, I have to. Now, waliwo omwami wano gwe bayita Sharif, for God's sake. Let me show you this. Okay, ne bw'obeera ku demo, I am not training people to trade like this. Look at this lot size. Look at this lot size. I am not training you to do this. I am sorry for doing this, but I have to. I looked at this picture and I'm like, okay, I have no say. I have nothing to say. You don't do this, Sharif. Whether you're watching the video or not, whether you will hate me or not, I don't care. But you don't do this. This is too much. Now, he had a balance of $700. He lost $531 here. Who loses $531? You're trading at $10 per pip. This is a lot of money to lose. Yes, this is live money. This is his live account. You're not supposed to do that. You are not supposed to be trading like this. You lose $500 a day, you call Forex a scam. Oh, my mentor is a scam. Oh, my mentor, this and that, okay? I'm sorry for showing you that picture, but I have to, because I know most folks out there, they want to be rich simply because a lot of, financial crisis financially, but do not do that, okay? Do not risk all that money. At least zimpereze nzikuterekere. If you see that you're going to trade at $10 per pip, give me that money and I keep it for you. So, Sharif aside, let's look at the euro pound. Let's first look at how is the euro trading against all other currencies now. We also see it's a drop. Now here comes a challenge, a big challenge. Now if this price or if this currency is dropping and the pound is also dropping, what do you do when it comes to the euro pound? Now I want you to look at this consolidation here. Did I just say something sensitive? Almost folks didn't know about this, because even your currency meters will not show you this. If these two currencies are selling, we shall have a consolidation on that pair. Now I want you to look at this. What trend is this? What trend is this? What trend is this? This is a consolidation. Naye ekirira wansi. Though ekirira wansi, but this is a daily chart. Oh, mate, I'm losing money. Oh, mate, where do I enter? How do I place my entries? Oh, mate, order blocks are not working. Oh, mate, institutional levels are not working. I know they are not. Simply because the other folks didn't teach you the right way to trade. They just told you, oh, give us $100, we'll teach you how to become a rich Forex trader. You blow up your accounts. Forex is a scam. Yes, Forex is a scam. When you don't know what you're doing, Forex is a scam. But when you know what you're doing, Forex is the best thing to do in life. This is the euro pound. What is it doing? Consolidation here. Simply because they are both dropping. Okay? Zona ziri mu downtrend. They are all losing against the four major currencies. Let's look at the Canadian dollar as well. How is it moving against the other pairs, the other currencies? Sorry. Now I sometimes use the word pair because we are trading Forex and we trade in currency pairs. As my chart is loading, okay, here it is. Let's look at the CXY, the Canadian dollar against. So we see the Canadian dollar somehow naligambye elimu, it is buying, though it is also not from here to here, not a big deal. But let's now look at, because the Canadian dollar is now let's look at the dollar is buying against the other currencies. Let's go on a daily. And tulaba Canadian dollar nayo etandise okudropinga. Okay, we see this drop here. So what do you do here? USD CAD, what do? You buy. You buy. You don't sell, you buy. You look for perfect entries to buy. You look for perfect entries to buy. Now let's look at the USD CAD. USD CAD. This is a daily chart. Let's jump to 15 minutes chart. Folks, this is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. The dollar is taking over. Okay, the dollar is buying. I won't give you all details. Because the truth is, if I tell you that, okay, Bulichimu, now what you do, you come here, look for order blocks, look. I have videos on this YouTube channel talking about all those things. What do you look for? You look for few things that I've taught you here for your entries to go long. Okay? That is the only thing. Choino Kola. As a Ugandan, remember I promised you, I don't want to see you pay for mentorship. Well, you can pay for the signals if you're not sure. And if you're not sure about the signals, ZDK. Now, this is the only signal that I'm going to give you. Come here, look for the currency strength. How is it performing against the other currencies? Is it buying or selling? You don't just sell in such a situation, for God's sake. Even order blocks will not work here. They will not. This is an order block here. Oh, it is. No, it is not. Not in such a trend that order blocks are going to stop price. Musajja ayogera nnyo, musajja ayogera nnyo, musajja ayogera nnyo, yes. We all have our weaknesses. And one of the weaknesses that I have is speaking the truth. Relatively equal. Are we ever coming here? Not until we see price trade below these lows, maybe come to this imbalance, or maybe this so-called, did I use this as an order block, an institutional candle? Yes. To buy, not selling. When the base is buying, I don't want to see myself sell. I will also buy. When the base is selling, I don't want to see myself buy. I will only sell. Okay, folks? This is what makes you a trader. This is what makes you totally different from the 95% of people losing money. This is why I'll send you a signal and be like, look at this price point. Not all the signals that I send that work. I'm not here bragging that I'm the best signal provider. Today I sent 2 and the other one went against me. I'm just telling you the truth. I'm not afraid of saying that because tewali what trader atafidwa sente. Even the best traders in the world, they lose money. So I'm not training you to lose money, but I'm training you to look at price. You buy while the base is selling. Or lichagulo. Okay? What you do now, what do you target? These highs here, liquidity. After liquidity taken, you want to see yourself sell. Now, sometimes you sit on your chart and you're like, but why these long candles? Why these long candles? You haven't known what your base is doing, the base currency. You haven't known. What is it doing? Tonaba. Your $10, your $5, your $2, Zoina. Now like Sharifa Sigaziza $50, I guess. by now because chemanyi emotion zamuvuze dda n'ateekayo $50 in your $50 Sharif tezijja yimiriza price from selling. All you have to do is control your emotions. If you don't understand anything, please, you can always preview these videos and get to know well. The euro is selling. The pound is selling. The dollar is buying. Buy the weak. Sorry, buy the strong and sell the weak. Forex gurus on YouTube will be like, you buy when it is a downtrend and you sell when it is an uptrend. So, I hope this was insightful.